This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a newspaper style layout in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 software on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. This right here is what I'm going to create real quick. Most of this top part, I have it set to 36 points. I have it centered. It's my title. I have it bolded. Most of this text down here is 10.5 points. I have some of that text bolded. I have this one line here is a little bit bigger text. It's 18 points. I have an image here. I got this off of Pixabay. It's a pretty small image. I think it's like 300 by 300 pixels. It's a pretty small image. But the way to create this, I'm going to jump over to, I have a second sheet opened up, a second document, a blank one. I'm going to start off with my title. I'm going to select my title. I'm going to make it 36 points. I'm going to make it bolded. And then I'm going to go to the Home tab and I'm going to center my title. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go down to the next line. To take a little shortcut here, I'm going to copy and paste my text from here. That way this video doesn't last like 2 hours. If I can copy all of it, there's all of it. I'm going to copy. I'm going to jump over to my old sheet. I'm going to paste it. Now that's not what I was looking for right there. I'm going to reselect all of my text. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Layout tab. I'm going to go down to where it says Columns. I'm going to click on Columns. And I'm going to go with 3 columns. And there we have it. That is how to create a newspaper style layout in Word. Thanks for watching.